Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Guitar Hero with a real guitar, only way. Start by connecting your guitar to a USB audio interface and opening your game or music software right away. Tune the guitar and set clean tones with low reverb for clear note detection. Next, adjust buffer and sample rates to get latency under 10 ms so your strums match the on-screen notes consistently and feel responsive. Choose software that converts your guitar audio to note events or MIDI in real time and launch it before the game. Load a simple preset that emphasizes attack and transient detection to capture plucks and strums clearly. Calibrate pitch detection while playing typical riffs and adjust thresholds until notes reliably trigger without false positives. Finally, route the converted MIDI or triggers into the game so your real playing controls the Guitar Hero note highway. Work on clean single-note technique and rhythmic consistency to translate riffs into accurate in-game hits. Keep your picking hand relaxed and use light palm muting to prevent string buzz that can confuse detection. Practice transitions like hammer-ons and pull-offs so the software registers them as intended, and rehearse quick chord-to-single-note shifts to maintain combo streaks. With steady timing and focused articulation, your real guitar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.